With school in session, the Garden City Police Department strongly urges drivers to slow down and allow additional time to your scheduled destination. And stay absolutely focused on your driving tasks. The following school bus and distracted driving tips may save a life. School buses use two types of stop procedures while children are boarding and exiting buses: red light stops and yellow hazard light stops. Red light stops. School buses use overhead yellow flashing lights to alert motorists that they're preparing to stop. Red overhead flashing lights and an extended stop sign signals to motorists that the bus is stopped and children are getting on or off the bus. All 50 states have a law making it illegal to pass a school bus that is stopped to load or unload children while displaying the red overhead flashing lights and extended stop sign. And all 50 states require that traffic in both directions stop on undivided roadways when students are entering or exiting a school bus during a red light stop. In Michigan, a divided highway means divided by a physical barrier such as a raised median or guardrails. You must stop for school buses on 5-lane highways with only a turn lane separating traffic. Yellow hazard light stops. School buses use low yellow hazard lights located just below the windshield and back windows to alert motorists that they're pulling off the roadway in preparation for a hazard stop. This type of stop is only done when students do not have to cross a roadway while getting on or off the bus, and the bus can safely pull out of the traffic lane. These types of stops are typical on busy roads to help traffic flow around the bus and prevent traffic backups. Motorists can proceed slowly around a school bus on the left side when only the yellow hazard lights are on. A slogan to remember: lights on top, you must stop. Lights down low, you may proceed slow. Never pass a school bus on the right. It's illegal and could have tragic consequences. A person found responsible for violating this civil infraction may be fined up to $500 and may be ordered to perform up to 100 hours of community service at a school. Be alert. Children are unpredictable. Kids walking to and from their bus are usually very comfortable with their surroundings. This makes them more likely to take risks, ignore hazards, or fail to look both ways when crossing the street. The area 10 feet around a school bus is where children are in most danger of being hit. Stop your car at least 20 feet from a school bus to allow children the necessary space to enter and exit the bus.